Hello students, welcome to my next video. Today we'll be solving question number 4 of page number 245. Sorry, not 4. 4 I think we have already done. We will be solving question number 3. Now question number 3 is a sum based on current account. You have a current account balance, that is Shailesh and Shashank. You have a current account balance Shailesh and Shashank. So, what are the accounts we are going to prepare? We will just have a look on it. We will prepare first realization account. Can you see realization account? You will prepare column for realization account. Then you prepare partners current account. Then we go for partners capital account. Then we have bank account. We prepare bank account. So the method, the step as it is, we have to do. So we will be starting solving the sum. So Shailesh and Shashank were partners. So first is we have to transfer all the assets and liabilities to the realization account. So realization account debit side, we write here 2 sundry assets, underline it, building 7,000, plant 9,000, debtors 14,000, stock 5,000. You add up this, you will be getting 35,000. 41,000 minus 41,000. So then you have bank account. So we write in bank account debit side 2 balance brought down. We have bank account 2 balance brought down 6,000 rupees. Then capital account, on the liability side you have capital account. So capital balance is there. So we write capital balance in the capital account by balance brought down, which is 10,000, 6,000. Then you have current account balance is given. So right here by balance brought down, current account balance by balance brought down 3,000 and 2,000. Then you have creditors and bills payable. Creditors and bills payable, you write on realization credit side, you write sundry liabilities. So we write here creditors, we transfer first all the liabilities and assets. Creditors rupees 17,400. Then bills payable 2,600. On adding this, you will be getting 20,000. The firm was dissolved on the above date and the assets realized as under plant, building, stock, debtors. They are realized. Realized means the assets are sold. So when the assets are sold, so the entry will be bank account debited to realization account, because the amount comes to in our account. So bank account debit. So bank account debited to realization account. So the journal entry, if you see, if you say journal entry, suppose in short if I show the journal entries of all the things, the first one is, I think your assets are transferred. So assets are transferred, so we write the entry as realization account. We write realization account debit to all assets, sundry assets. I'm writing a pro forma to sundry assets. But in the exam, when you are asked journal entries, then you have to write all the elements name. So realization account, so you write on realization account debit side, and sundry assets account we have not prepared. Same way we have transferred the liabilities. So when you transfer the liabilities, we are transferring it on realization account credit side. So realization account will be credited. Realization account is credited. Then who is debited? Sundry liabilities account is debited. sundry liabilities account debited to realization account. Sundry liabilities account debited to realization account. Now the assets are realized, so cash comes in, so we write bank account debited to realization account. Because पैसा आ रहा है, cash comes into the business, so we write bank account debited to realization account. So bank account is debited, so to realization account, and realization account is credited, so write here by realization account. By realization account, so the plant 8,000, building 6,000, stock 4,000, debtors 12,000. So you add up this, you will be getting 30,000. So this amount you write here 30,000. Then you have Shailesh agreed to pay off the bills payable. Shailesh agreed to pay the bills payable. Agreed. Shailesh is ready to pay the bills payable. So Shailesh is the giver of the liability. So Shailesh account will be credited. So Shailesh current account. So who will be debited? Realization account debit. Realization account debited to Shailesh current account. Realization account debited to Shailesh current account. So who is debited? Realization account is debited. So we write here to Shailesh current account. So bills payable is paid. So we write here bills payable. So what is the amount of bills payable is 2,600. Bills payable 2,600. Second effect, partner is creditor. So come to Shailesh current account credit side by realization account. So in the Shailesh column you will write the amount is 2,600. Creditors were paid in full. So when you are paying the liabilities, realization account debited to cash or bank account. Realization account debited to cash and bank account. So realization account is debited. Realization account is debited to bank account. Realization account debited to bank account. So we write, underline it, creditors is paid in full, that is 17,400. Dissolution expenses, which is 1,400. So you added this 18,800. So creditors 17,400, dissolution expenses 1,400, you will have 18,800. Second effect, you will write in credit side of bank account by realization account. So the amount is 18,800. By realization account 18,800. Okay, so now we have to close the account. So now we have to take the total of debit side. The total of debit side, if you see, if I total this, I'll be getting 56,400. This is the total of debit side, and the total of credit, this plus this, it comes to 50,000. So your debit side total is more. This is 56,400 and this is 50,000. So I'll be writing this 56,400 on both the side. 56,400. I'll write both the sides. So 56,400 minus 50,000. 56,400 minus 50,000. I will be getting 6,400. Now this 6,400 I will be distributing it among the partners in their profit sharing ratio, that is by partners current account. By partners current account. So what I did, this 6,400 multiplied by 3 divided by 5, because the ratio given is 3:2. So 6,400 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 will give you 3840. 6,400 multiplied by 2 divided by 5 will give you 2,560. So this amount you will write here 3840 and 2560. Now this amount, this will get transferred to partners current account debit side. This will get transferred to partners current account debit side to realization account 3840 and 2560. Now you close up. Now when you add the debit side total, you're getting 3840. So I wrote here 3840. Then this is 2560, so I wrote 2560. This is 3000 plus 2600 will give you 5600. This is 2000 and this is 2000. So write this. Now 3840 यहाँ पर है और यहाँ पे 5600 है, तो 5600 बड़ा है. So write this 5600 on both the side. Then 5600 minus 3840 will give you 1760. Same way शशांक का डेबिट साइड ज़्यादा है 2560. तो 2560 से 2000 माइनस करो, कितना आएगा आपको 560 आएगा. दिस इज बाय कैपिटल अकाउंट. नाउ दिस इज ऑन डेबिट साइड, दिस इज ऑन डेबिट साइड, दिस विल गो इन द क्रेडिट साइड. तो ये डेबिट साइड में है तो ये जाएगा पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में जाएगा 1760. और ये आपका जो क्रेडिट साइड का है ये आपका जाएगा डेबिट साइड में जाएगा 560. लिखना है टू करंट अकाउंट. फिर हम पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट क्लोज करेंगे. वी विल क्लोज द पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. सो द टोटल इज दिस इज 10,000 प्लस 1760, इट कम्स टू 11,760. डेबिट में यहाँ कुछ नहीं है तो 11,760 ही डिफरेंस आएगा विच विल गो टू बैंक अकाउंट. देन दिस इज 6,000 minus 560, you will be getting 5,440 rupees. Okay. Then this balance will go to bank account credit side by Shailesh capital account, by Shashank capital account 11,760, 5,440. So now you total up your amount, your account will get tallied. Hello students, today we'll be solving page number 2 to 4, question number 6. Nerle and Patil were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:1. They decided to dissolve the partnership on 31st March 2020, on which date their balance sheet stood as follows. So the balance sheet is given to you and some adjustments are given to you. Okay. Now what are the accounts we are going to prepare? We are going to prepare realization account. We'll prepare partners capital account. Can you see how I made it? Partners capital account. Then you prepare a bank account. So in one page I think I have adjusted it everything. So first step, we will transfer all the assets. On first step we will transfer all the assets. So we write here realization account के डेबिट साइड में लिखोगे टू सन्ड्री एसेट्स, टू सन्ड्री एसेट्स, बिल्डिंग 60,000, machinery 50,000, stock 30,000, sundry debtors 44,000. So on adding this you will be getting 1,84,000. Then you have cash at bank. So we have opened a cash bank account. So we write in debit side to balance brought down, to balance brought down. which is 20,000. To balance brought on, which is 20,000. Then on liabilities you have capital, so we have capital, so we write here by balance brought down, by balance brought down 1,14,000. Until you have 50,000, so by balance brought down 1,14,000, 50,000. Profit and loss account you will be distributing among the partners. Profit and loss account is like general reserve only. Profit and loss account we write in partners replica on credit side. Distribute this 8,000 among the partners. You will be getting 6,000 and 2,000. 6,000 and 2,000. Then you have sundry creditors. We have sundry creditors by, you write here sundry. We have only one liability, so we write directly sundry creditors only. We write only sundry creditors, which is 32,000. Sundry creditors 32,000. Now we go for the adjustment. Number 1, Nerle took over 50% of the machinery at discount of 10% and 1/4 stock at a discount of 20%. Now you can see here the little calculation is there. Nerle took over. Now Nerle, if you see the working note, so the Nerle. Now Nerle took over 50% of the machinery. So we will write first what is machinery value. Machinery is costing 50,000. So we write here 50,000. नेरले ने इसका 50% लिया है, 50% लिया है, तो 50% कितना होएगा? 50,000 का हाफ. 50,000 का हाफ कितना होएगा? 25,000. अब ये 25,000 का जो मशीनरी है, इट इज़ टेकन एट डिस्काउंट ऑफ 10%. यानी ये जो 25,000 जो मशीनरी है, द कॉस्ट ऑफ मशीनरी जो 25,000 है, इट इज़ टेकन एट 10% डिस्काउंट. सो लेस करो 10%, so it comes to 2,500. Minus karo, you will be getting 22,500. 25,000 minus 10%, 2,500, you will be getting 22,500. So this is the value at which the Nerle has taken the 50% machinery. Even he has taken 1/4 stock at a discount of 20%. Now we come to stock. Stock is also taken by Nerle only. सो नेरले ने स्टॉक लिया है, नेरले स्टॉक लिया है 30,000. सो स्टॉक है 30,000, इसका 1/4, इसका 1/4, सो 30,000 का 1/4, तो 30,000 इंटू 1/4, इट कम्स टू 7,500. करेक्ट, इट कम्स अंदर. अब इस 7,500 का जो स्टॉक है, इट इज़ टेकन एट 20% डिस्काउंट. सो माइनस करो 20%, तो 7,500 का 20% कितना आएगा? 1,500 रुपये आएगा. 7,500 इंटू 20/100, 7,500 इंटू अपॉन 20/100, तो 750 इंटू 2 इज़ 150. तो 7,500 माइनस 1,500, you will be getting 6,000 rupees. 7,500 minus 1,500, so it is 6,000 rupees. Okay, so Nerle has taken machinery for 22,500 and stock for rupees 6,000. Okay, so we will write the entry for this. Nerle is taking the machinery, so Nerle is the receiver, so we write here debit side to realization account, which is you add up this amount 22,500 and 6,000, it comes to 28,500. Now second effect, you will write in realization account credit side by Nerle capital account, machinery which is 22,500, then stock, then you have 6,000, add up this, you will be getting 28,500. So 22,500 plus 6,000 will become 28,500. Then we have completed the asset. Then we go to second adjustment. Patil took over building at 70,000. Patil took over building at 70,000 and debtors worth rupees 20,000 at 16,000. So Patil is taking the, so we write in the realization of a credit side by Patil capital account, underline it, building 70,000, debtors is of 20,000. 20,000 का चीज़ कितने में लिया है? 16,000 में लिया है, तो दोनों को ऐड करो, यू विल बी गेटिंग 86,000. Second effect, you will write in realization, partners capital account debit side, you can write in this column 86,000 because Nirle has taken some of its assets and some of the asset is taken by the Patil. Okay, and now Patil is also ready to pay the creditors. Patil is also ready to pay the creditors. Okay, so Patil is ready to pay the creditors. So Patil creditors pay कर रहा है, तो Patil is ready to pay the creditors at discount of 5%. So what is the creditors? If you see creditors is 32,000, इसके ऊपर 5% ले लो, so you will be getting 5 2s are 10, 5 3 15, 16. So 32,000, so 5 3 15, 16. So 32,000 minus 1,600, you will be getting 30,400. So this is the amount paid by Patil. Patil is paying the liabilities. Patil is the giver of the liabilities. So Patil account is credited. Realization account is debited. So realization account debited to Patil's capital account. So creditors paid. So creditors paid, the amount is 30,400. 30,400. Second effect, in partners capital account credit side you write by realization account 30,400. By realization account 30,400. Third adjustment, balance of machinery was sold at a loss of rupees 4,000. Now if you see the machinery, the machinery we had of 50,000. We see the machinery, we have a machinery of 50,000. उसमें से 50% गया, 50% is taken by Nerle. Remaining जो 50% है, वो कितना हो गया? 25,000. ये जो 25,000 है, this is sold at a loss of rupees 4,000. तो इसको बेचा गया है, it is been sold at a loss of 4,000. यानी कि 25,000 वाला जो फर्नीचर है, मशीनरी है, this is sold for 21,000. सिमिलर वे स्टॉक, अभी जैसा स्टॉक का भी देखो, अभी ऐसा मशीनरी आपको समझ में आएगा. मशीनरी क्या हो गया? 50% है, तो 4,000 कम हो गया, माइनस करो 4,000, तो कितना आ गया? 21,000. उसी तरह स्टॉक का क्या बोला है देखो, अभी अपना स्टॉक कितना बिक गया है, कितना गया? 7,500 वाला गया है ना. 30,000 का 1/4 विच कम्स टू 7,500. तो यानी कि तुम्हारा स्टॉक जो था 30,000 तुम्हारा स्टॉक था, उसमें से 7,500 वाला गया, तो कितना बचा? 22,500. कितना बचा? 22,500. 30,000 में से 7,500 वाला गया, तो कितना बचा? 22,500 बच गया. तो ये कौन सा रह गया? स्टॉक रह गया. तो स्टॉक कैसे बेचा? मगर बैलेंस ऑफ स्टॉक वॉज सोल्ड एट 10% प्रॉफिट. तो इसको बेचा गया 10% प्रॉफिट में. तो आप इसको प्रॉफिट को ऐड करो, प्रॉफिट इज 10%, तो 22,500 का 10% 2250, 22,500 का 10% 2250, दोनों को ऐड करो, यू विल बी गेटिंग 24,750। 30,000 का स्टॉक है और उसमें से 7,500 का स्टॉक वॉज टेकन ओवर बाय निर्ले, रिमेनिंग इज 22,500। अभी 22,500 को बेचा गया है एट अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 10%। सो 22,500 का मैंने 10% निकाला, इट कम्स टू 2250। सो दोनों को ऐड करो, यू विल बी गेटिंग 24,750। सेम वे डेटर्स रियलाइज्ड एट 95%, डेटर्स वे रियलाइज एट 90। अब देखो डेटर्स तुम्हारे कितने हैं ये देखो, पहले आपका डेटर्स जो दिया हुआ है सबसे पहला है 44,000, बराबर, टोटल डेटर है 44,000। अब इसमें से टेकन है ना, कोई तो लेके गया, पार्टी लेके गया है, पार्टी ने जो डेटर्स लेके गया है उसका बुक वैल्यू कितना था 20,000, बराबर, 20,000 उसका बुक वैल्यू था, बट लेके गए कितने में 16,000। सो वी शुड माइनस द बुक वैल्यू फ्रॉम द बुक वैल्यू। सो 44,000 में से 20,000 माइनस करो, यू विल बी गेटिंग 24,000। 44,000 माइनस 20,000, यू विल बी गेटिंग 24,000। तो ये 24,000 जो है इससे डेटर्स रियलाइज्ड एट 95%, इसका मतलब 24,000 का 95% मिला, 24,000 का 95% मिला है। तो ये अगर आप सॉल्व करोगे तो इट कम्स टू 22,800, 240 इंटू 95 विल गिव यू 22,800। समझ में आया आपको डेटर्स का हिसाब? डेटर्स आपका था टोटल 44,000, उसमें से लेके गया पाटिल ने 20,000 का लेके गया, कितना बचा 24,000। अब ये 24,000 में हमको 95% मिला, so 24,000 into 95%, you will be getting 22,800. Clear? So this is the amount. Now, so पैसा मिल रहा है अपने को, तो पैसा मिल रहा है तो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू realization account, bank account debited to realization account. Now what is the amount that we will see? And second effect is realization account credit side by bank account, realization account credit side by bank account, realization account credit side by bank account. So सबसे पहला है मशीनरी कितना मिला अपने को, मशीनरी का 25,000 माइनस 4,000 यू गॉट 21,000, तो मशीनरी का 21,000। फिर स्टॉक था आपका 30,000, उसमें से 7,500 लेके गया, बचा कितना 22,500, इसको बेचा गया एट 10% प्रॉफिट 2250, यू विल बी गेटिंग 24,750, 24,750। Then you have debtors, so debtors जो आपका 44,000 उसमें से माइनस करो, you will be 20,000, तो कितना बचे 24,000 का 95% वैल्यू 22,800, ये तीनों को प्लस करो, you will be getting 68,550 रुपीज़, 68,550 रुपीज़। So now you have to close the account. So close the account. So total the debit side. If you total the debit side, you will be getting 214,400, and on the credit side it is coming 215,050. सो डेबिट साइड का 214,400, क्रेडिट साइड का है 215,050, तो क्रेडिट साइड इज हेवियर, सो राइट द क्रेडिट साइड अमाउंट ऑन बोथ द साइड। अब इसमें से इसको माइनस करो, इसमें से इसको आपको माइनस करो, सो माइनस करने पर कितना मिलेगा आपको you will be getting 650. So on totally you will be getting 650 rupees as a profit. So this 650 you have to distribute among the partners in their ratio 3:1. So we will be getting 488 and 162. How we get this 488 and 162? 650 multiplied by 3 divided by 4. 650 multiplied by 1 divided by 4, which will give you 488 and 162. So this on debit side you have profit, and this profit you will transfer to partners capital account credit side. By credit side by bank account. So credit side right by by realization account. So the amount is 488, 488 and 162. Now I will be closing the partners capital account. So when I close the निर्लेस capital, निर्ले का डेबिट साइड में कम है 28,500 है, और क्रेडिट साइड में जैसा 1,14,000 को प्लस किया 6,000 प्लस 488 किया तो मुझे मिला 1,20,488. तो ये दोनों बाजू लिखो, 1,20,488 में से माइनस करो 28,500, you will be getting 91,988. सेम वे वी क्लोज फॉर पाटिल का डेबिट साइड टोटल कितना है 86,000. पाटिल का डेबिट साइड का टोटल है 86,000 और क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल आ रहा है 82,562. कैन यू सी हियर 82,562. तो यानी कि डेबिट साइड ज़्यादा है, तो डेबिट साइड का अमाउंट 86,000 दोनों बाजू लिखो, 86,000 राइट ऑन बोथ द साइड, एंड फ्रॉम 86,000 यू सबट्रैक्ट 82,562. यू विल बी गेटिंग इन दी पाटिल कॉलम, पाटिल के कॉलम में लिखो 3438 as by bank account. Okay, by bank account 3438. Got it? So that little scribbling I will try to understand. So by bank account 3438. So this bank account, this amount will be transferred to bank account debit side. This amount will be transferred to bank account debit side 3438. So to Patil's capital account 3438, to Patil's capital account 3438, and then this nearless capital balance, that is 91,988, will be transferred to bank account credit side 91,988. So you will be getting 91,988. So when you total this bank account debit side 91,988 and 91,988, so this sum will get tallied.